My name is Al Jawhari. I'm the co-founder and group chief executive for Stark Advanced Manufacturing Group. When we started the journey of acquiring additive manufacturing technologies in Stark, the Future Industry Institute came in the mix, and it allowed us to actually commercialize what we're doing and move ourselves into the production state. Their support in that process from an industry perspective, I would say it is second to none. We had state-of-the-art machines. They came in, we were able to build a state-of-the-art facility to house those machines in. We were able to commission and produce commercial-grade products that are fully tested. I would say that the normal industry process would be around 6 months. We were able to commission that with less than 12 weeks. And that was with the full support of the Future Industry Institute. We had access to equipment, material, PhD students, research students. Every line item on our checklist, they were supporting us in that process. It was a state-of-the-art interaction. The only way for industry to move forward is backed up by research. That's how the greatest economies in the world operate, is the intimacy between research and industry to deliver superior products to the market. If we actually want our research relationship or research partnership to be efficient, I believe other industries need to look at how the Future Industries Institute is operating. This is fantastic. I mean, what they've done in their business model and their interactions with industry, I would say it's one of the top relationships or top partnerships I've witnessed.